bad luck days. Friday the 13th always gotta be a good day for me. Look what finally came in the mail. I mean, it came in earlier, but then I waited. I did my hair by myself for the first, I did this butterfly locks for the first time, and I'm impressed with myself. When I tell you, I was surprised that I could do this. I knew I can braid, like do box braids, but I didn't know I can do this. I kind of like it. But I'm gonna add some color. As you can see, this one has color. It's like brown and black. I think I'm gonna add some more color in the front, the brown, but that's not the point of the video. The point of this video is that my phone, because I had an iPhone 8 for like a long time, and it started glitching like after 2 years of having it or something like that. I don't know. It started glitching. First, I had like an HTC in like middle school. No, I had a flip phone, but it was like a slide-up phone in middle school. Then I bumped up to some HTC. I faked that it was broken, but because I wanted an iPhone, you could afford an iPhone. I don't want to talk about it. But then I moved to an iPhone 5C in like somewhere in middle school or whenever it came out, and then I moved to an iPhone 6 Plus. That's a big phone compared to the 5C. I believe I had a pink, no, I had a white one. And then of course I went to that, and then I moved to an iPhone 8 Plus, and I'm like using it since. And now I bumped up, skipped the 10 and 11, all that stuff, and I got a 12 iPhone Pro Max. So we're gonna see, and we're gonna open this. Here it is. Oh my god. And it's like a blue color. Oh my gosh. It's so different compared to my 8. It's with the charger. It's different from the chargers we usually use. It comes with the stickers, all that stuff. I don't know, and that's about it. See, it's already telling me hola, all that stuff, saying hello in every language. So we're gonna turn this on. As you see, we're gonna go and put it in English. I mean, I know other languages, but we're gonna click this. Alright, so it's the next day because, I waited a little bit late yesterday, and it had to transfer, and it took a little bit longer. Like, it said about 2 hours. It was 2 hours. So yeah, and then I just like, I opened up my new case. I got the clear one because that's what they have so far. I got this off of Amazon. If you want it, I'll put the link in below. And I did buy a pop socket. I had old ones, but someone stole it. I had that one since like 2016 when no one really didn't know what pop socket was. It was customized, and someone stole that one. And the other one broke because I had two, and one of them I had on my case for a while, but then the bottom of it broke and I can't find it, so I might have to remake it. But it was either this one or the flower one. And I was like, you know what, I just might as well just put the flower one on there, and when I get another case, I'll put this one on the other one. I guess I'm trying to match it because, purple is my favorite color if you didn't know. And yeah, like, I really do like it, and I do have a face recognition because, as you know, I had the 8, and I really didn't have all those, like the X and what is it, XR or something like that. I don't know. Of course, this has no home button, just like the upper phones. I don't know, but I technically just skipped and just went to a 12 Pro Max, and of course, it's really heavy. It's not heavy, but it's like heavier than my 8 Plus. It's because of the sides, but I do like the sides. It's like, it's more bigger than my 8 because like the full screen on here. And as you As again I said, I did transfer stuff on here, so it was much easier, so I didn't have to remember. But one thing I forgot was my Snapchat password. And I had that Snapchat since like, it was been a long time, but at this point I just made a new one just because at this point you gotta restart. I was thinking to get a new Snapchat, but I guess it happened now, so now I have a whole new Snapchat. So as you slide up, you open it, you slide up, let me put my face, that's so cool. And then, oh my god, I'm like a little mom doing like this. It still has all my old stuff, see? Right here. I'm at 59%, but it's fine. Yeah, we have my little game. My water, telling me to drink my water. I need to do that. Tells me I have all the original stuff that I had on my old phone. Yes, I decorated all of this. I can make a tutorial on how to do that if you want me to. This is my second one, and the third one is not done yet. Or this one is not done yet, but I will fix it. Again, the tutorial and how to get these invisible icons, I can show you how to do that. And yeah, pretty much is like all my favorite animes and mangas on here, favorite K-pop group, all that. That's what I put for my icons. I'm trying to match it, so right now it's pink, but the camera is like, oh my god, it's better than my eyesight. Like, I was like, god, at least I don't need a camera. I don't need contacts or glasses because I can see perfectly fine with this phone. Also, the battery, it's at 59, but the battery life they did a pretty good job with it, and I like that. Well, let me put this back in the case. As you can see, we have to get clear cases for now, but this case already, I like it. I haven't dropped it yet, but with my old phone I haven't dropped it. All my other phones, they haven't broke. It's just that the 8 Plus, sometimes when I'm like charging it, it starts glitching or something, or when it's off the charger it starts acting the fool. So I'm just like, why? What are you doing? Okay, let me use my turtleneck, because my turtleneck, don't judge me. I know you're judging me. It's okay. I gotta put this on first. If it can go on. Also, the volume button and the home button is way bigger than compared to my old phone. And the home button is a little bit lower on the 12 Pro Max, on the Pro Max. I don't think that's really a problem if that really bothers you, but it really doesn't. It was just weird at first because I was like, usually you turn it off like somewhere around here, but like they just moved it a little bit. I don't think that's really a problem. The volume buttons, they look a little bit bigger. You can still use your old chargers. Like, I really thought they changed the bottom of this, but it's like they only changed like the plug. As you can see, it's still the regular charger we already used, but this side is different. This is like a Mac charger. I think it's really smart because like usually when you have like another charger like this and you don't have like a computer that plugs it in, you gotta buy like a UBS thing for a Mac. Instead, you don't have a PC so you can plug this up. But if you have a Mac, I feel like this is easier, and you can just plug it up in your Mac, then boom, there you go. Oh, you can still get AirPods if you want or something. Speakers are much bigger, and the surround sounds, the volume was low, and I was like, is it loud or not? But it's like, it's the bottom speakers. And see, it's just regular. We're gonna use the old chargers so I can prove to you that it's the same charger. Same thing. You can still plug it up with the old chargers. If this case can cooperate with me, see, this is my old charger to my 8. It still works. Don't think about throwing your old chargers away. It still works. You can use your still use your earbuds. I thought that I had to get AirPods or something, but I'm still gonna get some type of Bluetooth earbuds just because. probably AirPods, I'm not sure. But if you want to get something like this, you can. I was thinking to put photo card in this, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I was, since it's a clear case, but I was like, no. I might just put stickers on it, not sure. Probably Hello Kitty, I don't know. Any stickers I have. Oh, I do have stickers. I'm glad I saved them and didn't throw them away, because I was about to like have a fit, because I was like putting them right here and like what do I do with them? So that's pretty much this phone is really about. I can do like a phone camera test to see the comparisons. If you want me to, I can show you what the camera, more of the camera of the iPhone 8 and the Pro Max. And of course I had to get a big phone since I had a Plus. If you enjoyed this little unboxing accessory mess, I'm gonna get more stuff for my phone. Probably just decorate my phone just a little bit, because I do like how it is right now. Probably just color code it. I don't know. Probably more purple, different shades of purple. Gosh, have a little theme. I don't know, but if you enjoyed this little video of me doing all this, and what am I trying to say? I can never do outros or intros or a video, but it's fine. If you enjoyed this little video of me doing this unboxing accessory things, and you want more videos of me doing something like this, or other videos, or any ideas you have, make sure you comment down below, subscribe, like. Maybe you want to get this phone if you're really interested in it, something, or you want to show your family. Hey, let's all get matching phones, because technically me and my whole family, we just got the Pro Max like yesterday, Friday the 13th. So all of us have the same phone and we really do like it. It's been like 24 hours and we already like it. Almost 24 hours, because we just got it like 5 o'clock-ish. No, we got it 3 o'clock yesterday, Friday the 13th. So let me stop talking, just so you know I'm trash. You gotta